So welcome everybody, all the Cyber Sangha. We will start with the inner refuge prayer, and I will guide into short meditation. So just sit comfortably and breathe deep, and each time as you exhale, just release your tensions in your body, in your breath, in your mind, and each breath trying to bring yourself in a little deeper. Ale Jave Jango Yade Male Jave Ne Tazo Kala Ngayelo Tabe Gola Jazo. The center of the Victoria Mandala, one's own body, the source of all positive quality without exception, is the expanse within 3 channels and 5 chakras. I take refuge in this body of emptiness. Gradually bring your full attention to your body. Be aware and connect with the stillness in your body. Gradually rest deep into that stillness of your body. At some point, you feel the inner stillness, the stillness beyond your body, the stillness of your being. In that inner stillness is an unbounded sacred space, the true source of healing. The inner refuge. The second refuge. All the gathered clouds of suffering and misery are completely cleared by the wisdom wind, revealing the unelaborated, primordially pure expanse of the sky. I take refuge in this body of light. Be aware of the silence around and within you. Connect with that inner silence and rest in that inner silence. Whenever you lose the connection to inner silence, be aware of that. Reconnect and continue. Repeat this as many times as necessary. To those who have difficult to hear the inner silence, then listen to inner silence like as you're listening to the noise or voice in your head. Listen to the silence instead of those voices. Moment you hear the silence, the voices will be gone. Moment the voices are gone, it allows the awareness to arise. third refuge. From the pavilion of the five wisdom lights, rays from non-dual spheres of light emanate, clearing the webs of darkness of ignorance. I take refuge in this body of great bliss. Continuously remain your attention inward. Be aware of the spaciousness of your mind. Mind is always clear and present. Be aware of that spaciousness. Being like a sky, feeling the sky in your body, every part of your body, every cell in your body. Feel that space in every thoughts, feelings. Just this only space, the sacred space. Be, feel, connect with that. When you lose the connection to it, be aware, reconnect, and continue rest. It's okay to lose the connection, but it's not okay to not to be aware of it. Because to be aware of it, the only way to reconnect. And reconnecting, the only way is to realize it. Allow your body, your speech, the energy, your mind to totally rest without any effort in this inner sacred space. Rest in this inner sacred space like a child resting in the loving arms of mother. With fully trust, with effortlessness, a sense of completely secure, feeling completely connected. Through this connection, child is feeling nourishment for the body, for the mind, for the soul. You are that child. The inner sacred space is that mother. The inner sacred space is that true source of healing or nourishment. This moment you are connected to the source. And those you are feeling uncomfortable, restless, agitation, dullness, sleepiness, it's completely okay. But be aware of that, and awareness will help you overcome it. As you overcome it with trust, rest, and connect. This inner sacred space is the home for homeless people or people who feel homeless regardless of how many houses they have. If you found the inner sacred space, you found your home, you found the inner refuge. The home which is always with you when you're a child, when you're growing, when you face challenging moment, when you're lost, when you're aging, when you're dying, you're always at home. When you're aware of that, it helps every given situation. One can rely and one can trust. The inner sacred space is the best friend that you ever have or you ever will have. When you are connected to it, you feel that. You never have to be lonely anymore. You always have the inner refuge within you. Reliable, always available. If you're aware. The inner refuge, the sacred space, is also like a treasury. Like a treasury of kingdom. All the wealth, all the qualities are present in it. This is your inner treasury. This moment you are connected with the inner treasury. If you're able to rest with the trust, whatever you need will merge from that space effortlessly. You just have to be aware it's there. And you have to be aware that it's manifesting in your life. And you have to be aware it's impacting your life and impacting your surrounding, and it's impacting other people's life and a large in society. You just have to be aware. Whenever you or the ego or pain interferes, you lose the awareness. It stops manifesting. Just be aware of inner treasury. Feel rich internally, spiritually. Feel worthiness. Go out in the world, the sense of complete worthiness. You are sitting in that worthiness, completeness. You can speak from that place of worthiness and completeness. You can feel from that place of worthiness and completeness. You can act, interact, create, complete from that completeness. You are rich. Allow the mentality of poverty overcome. This unbounded sacred space, or the body of emptiness, is the true source of healing. Whatever does not complete your life this moment You will find a way to complete that by going to the source. Even though something that you might have to pursue outside in the world, still you need a sense of deep perception of self, value of self, worthiness of self, which is the one goes out in the world to find it, to look for it, even the eye to look at it, strength to find it, power to manage the challenges or conflicts. They all come from this, the true source. What we lack in our life is the connection to it. All the busyness in life, all the deadlines in life, or all things, pursuing a lot of things which are absolutely not needed to pursue, wasting time. As a result, losing connection to the most valuable, the essential, the source that you have within. Okay?